resistance to love and love it. Any resistance to loving deeper and love that too, inside yourself. When you've done Munai a couple of times, then come to the heart rock. Only when that Munai has happened. There was this great prideful warrior who came to an ancient sage, right? And very old-fashioned, very respectful old warrior. And he found out about the sage. He came to the sage and he says, "Sage, please, I want you to share with me the doorway to heaven, the doorway to hell." Still, the sage looks at him. He says, "You? Look at you. Why would I share anything like that? You're an idiot. You're a farce. Look at you. Your heart is so close. You're there 10 minutes and you want the secrets of life and, you know, heaven and hell, and you can't even open. You're like just irritating the fuck out of him. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Trying to get his, pushing all his buttons. Yep. And in a moment of outrage, he pulls out his sword and goes, fucking like this, right? And the sage goes, "Oh, that's the doorway, the key to hell. Right there, right now." Guy was like, and because he was an immediate student, not long term, not after weeks and months, another 20 years of suffering. Spirituality, we should let go of the word suffering. Just start with, just let go of that. What if we didn't have to even work on that either? So in that moment, this warrior goes, and he saw the truth. It was his closure, his bubbling, his closure from all there was. Puts the sword back in the scabbard, and the sage goes, "Doorway to heaven." When I was in the jungle a few years ago, I was with the medicine, Mother Ayahuasca. And she saw into me my desire for universal knowledge, thirst for universal knowing, wisdom, more and more expansive wisdom and knowledge. And it was like I didn't want to reveal it because there's a feeling, the relationship I have with it is that it reveals it, it gives it. Somehow, you know, it's a big thing. So I started feeling this universal wisdom pouring down from the top of my head down. And then it started pouring in, and I was like, and then I just felt some inner warning, subtle inner everything I ever wanted is coming to me, and I'm feeling this seed of discontent because of the medicine. Basically, why I was guided. I was brought into that discontent rather than I went for it was a choice. I could just have the universal knowing. Went with that seed. I've been around enough to know that if I don't follow that, you know, it won't be a whole. It won't be just good for everyone. It was my selfishness. Then I asked Mother Ayahuasca, please give me, what's the gift you wish to give me? The most important teaching. And in that moment, my heart just, she said to me, simplicity of heart. The essence, world. That's what she told me. So, you know, we've been sharing all different ideas and philosophies and things, you know? But let that rest into the simplicity of your heart rather than the cabinets of the mind. Feel each other's hearts. Love you guys.
You're catching it.
When you go home, you will have the perfect world, the perfect life. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Not as a hopeful thing. It's just in your heart, fantasy.